The long game, Buffett's greatest investing lesson. Have you ever noticed that most people spend years looking for the perfect investment, but almost no time becoming the kind of investor who can actually hold it? That's the real secret Warren Buffett has been teaching for decades. And surprisingly, it has very little to do with picking stocks. It has everything to do with playing a game that most people quit before they ever have a chance to win. Today, let's talk about Buffett's greatest investing lesson, the long game. We live in a world that celebrates speed. Fast food, fast internet, overnight success. Every day we're told there's a shortcut to becoming rich, but the stock market has a funny way of rewarding the exact opposite behavior. Buffett once said that the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. That simple idea has created billions of dollars in wealth, not because it's exciting, but because it's true. Imagine planting a mango tree. You don't dig it up every week to check whether it's growing. You water it, protect it, and trust the process. Investing works the same way. Every time you panic during a market downturn or chase the latest hot trend, it's like digging up the roots to see if they're growing faster. Here's where psychology gets involved. Our brains are wired for instant gratification. We feel the pain of losing money much more intensely than the joy of gaining it, a tendency psychologists call loss aversion. Add social media headlines, friends bragging about overnight gains, and the fear of missing out, and it's easy to abandon a sound long-term plan for short-term excitement. Buffett does the opposite. While others react emotionally, he thinks in decades. When others chase what's popular, he asks whether the underlying business will still be valuable 10 or 20 years from now. That's why he often says his favorite holding period is forever. He's not buying stock symbols, he's buying pieces of real businesses. Think about any meaningful achievement in life. Learning a profession takes years. Building a successful business doesn't happen in a month. Getting fit requires hundreds of ordinary workouts that nobody applauds. Wealth follows the same pattern. It's rarely built through one brilliant decision. More often, it's built through thousands of disciplined, boring ones. This is the hidden power of compounding. At first, progress feels painfully slow. Your portfolio grows by a little, then a little more. But over time, your returns begin earning returns, and what once looked insignificant starts accelerating. Most people quit during that quiet phase because they mistake slow progress for no progress. The media doesn't help. Every day there's another prediction about crashes, rallies, or the next big thing. Buffett has never tried to win the news cycle. He focuses on owning quality businesses, staying rational, and letting time do the heavy lifting. That's an advantage available to every investor, not just billionaires. So what can you do starting today? Stop checking your investments every few hours. Invest consistently, even when markets feel uncertain. Measure your progress in years instead of weeks. Build habits stronger than your emotions. And remember that patience isn't passive. It's an active decision to trust a well-thought-out plan when everyone else is reacting to noise. The market doesn't usually reward the smartest person in the room. It rewards the one who can remain disciplined the longest. So here's a question to leave you with. What could your financial future look like if you stopped chasing quick wins and started playing the long game today? If this lesson changed the way you think about investing, subscribe for more timeless Warren Buffett investing lessons, and let me know in the comments, what's one long-term financial goal you're committed to seeing through, no matter how long it takes?